is the value of acceleration of a block A and block B? Immediately the string is cut, whereas two blocks A and B are connected by the string, which is massless and inextensible. And it is given in the question, the whole system is suspended by the spring. So here it's given in the question, the mass of a block A is 3m and mass of block B is m. It's known that before the string is cut, the force will be in an equilibrium. So here it's known that the total weight will be equal to m plus 3m times g. So we can write it will be equal to 4mg. So the spring force balances this way. So we can write the force on a spring will be equal to 4m. And here there will be the tension as well. So the tension in a string is written as T is equal mg in general, and it must support the weight of a block P. So when the string is cut, what will happen? The blocks are no longer connected. So we can analyze the force acting on each block independently. The spring force initially 4 mg as the spring does not instantly adjust. So here we can calculate the force on a block A first. So the spring now exerts an upward force of 4 mg on a block A. The downward gravitational force will be 3 mg. So we can write the net force on block A will be equal to force on spring minus force because of gravity on block A. So here we can write 4 mg minus 3 mg, which will be equal to mg. So this is a value of net force acting on a block A. But here the question is about acceleration. So we can write acceleration is equal force divided by mass, whereas force is given as m over g, whereas mass is given in the question 3m. So here we can write it will be equal to g divided by 3. So this is a value of acceleration of a block A. Similarly, we can calculate the acceleration of block B. So the only force on a block B is its weight, and we can write it's because of gravity. So here it will be equal to mg. So again we are calculating acceleration only. So we can write F divided by m, and the mass of a block B is given as m only. So we can write mg divided by m, which will be equal to g. So the block A will have an acceleration of g over 3, whereas block B will have an acceleration of g. So the correct answer for this question is option A.